Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
22 tips to help hair loss prevention. There are many things you can do to slow or stop hair loss, but what to do depends on the reason why you're losing your hair. Some situations, like hair loss after pregnancy, may resolve on their own. And remember that everyone sheds hair daily, which is perfectly normal. It's when hair loss is persistent that you want to see your doctor. Your healthcare provider may be able to diagnose if your hair loss is caused by things like thyroid issues, stress, scalp infections, androgenic alopecia, or simply aging. Here are 22 tips to stop hair loss. First, Mediterranean diet. A 2018 study revealed that a diet containing raw vegetables and fresh herbs, like the Mediterranean diet, may reduce the risk of androgenic alopecia, female pattern baldness or male pattern baldness, or slow its onset. Best results were observed when participants consumed high amounts of these foods, such as parsley, basil, salad greens more than 3 days a week. Second, protein. Hair follicles are made mostly of protein called keratin. One 2017 study of 100 people with hair loss noted several nutritional deficiencies in participants, including amino acids that serve as the building blocks of protein. While researchers note that more studies are needed, eating a diet rich in protein may help prevent hair loss. Healthy choices include foods like eggs, nuts, beans and peas, fish, low-fat dairy products, chicken and turkey. Third, vitamin A. Vitamin A is composed in part of retinoids, which has been shown to increase the rate of hair growth. This vitamin may also help with sebum production, keeping the scalp healthier and able to retain more hairs. Fill your plate with foods rich in vitamin A, such as sweet potatoes, sweet peppers, and spinach, just to name a few. Fourth, multivitamin. Scientists have determined that vitamins A, B, C, D, iron, selenium, and zinc are all important to the hair growth and retention processes, specifically with cell turnover. You can find daily multivitamins at most grocery stores or drugstores, or ask your doctor to prescribe one to you. Fifth, vitamin D. One 2018 study noted that vitamin D is associated with non-scarring alopecia. Treating deficiencies may help with regrowth. Speak with your doctor about taking 800 to 1000 IU daily. Sixth, biotin. Biotin, vitamin H or B7, is involved in fatty acid synthesis in the body. This process is essential to the hair life cycle, and you may experience hair loss if you have a deficiency. Speak with your doctor about taking 3 to 5 milligrams daily. Seventh, saw palmetto. Derived from the fruit of American dwarf pine trees, this herb may help men maintain levels of testosterone. One 2004 journal article revealed that some 60% of participants taking saw palmetto experienced improved hair growth. The dosage in the study was 200 milligrams daily. 8th, ginseng. Ginseng contains certain phytochemicals that may promote hair growth on the scalp. Further study is needed to recommend specific dosages. In the meantime, speak with your doctor about taking ginseng supplements or consider trying topical solutions that contain this ingredient. 9th, regular washing. Washing hair daily may protect against hair loss by keeping the scalp healthy and clean. The key is to use a mild shampoo. Harsher formulas may dry hair and cause it to break, leading to hair loss. 10th, coconut oil. According to a 2018 review of studies, researchers believe that coconut oil may help prevent hair damage from grooming and ultraviolet light exposure. Lauric acid found in coconut oil helps bind protein in hair, protecting it from breakage at the root and strand. Massaging coconut oil into the scalp may promote better blood flow and help with regrowth. 11th, olive oil. Olive oil can be used to deep condition hair, protecting it from dryness and associated breakage. Olive oil is also a central ingredient to the Mediterranean diet, which may help slow genetic hair loss. Consider applying a couple tablespoons of olive oil directly to hair and letting it sit for 30 minutes before washing out. 12. Gentle styling. Skip tight braids or ponytails that may pull on hair at the root and potentially lead to excessive shedding. While you are at it, let your hair air dry to avoid irritating your scalp. Heat stylers like curling or straightening irons may also damage or break the hair shaft. 13. Hair processing. Chemical treatments like perms or hair color may also damage hair and scalp. Ask your stylist about alternatives like organic hair dyes and others that don't contain ammonia peroxide or paraphenylene diamine (PPD). 14. Laser therapy. Low-level lasers may help improve hair density for people with genetic hair loss and loss due to chemotherapy. This option is also called red light therapy, and it may work by stimulating epidermal stem cells. 15th. Platelet-rich plasma. Injecting platelet-rich plasma (PRP) into the scalp helps stimulate growth in areas already impacted by hair loss. Blood is run through a centrifuge to separate out the platelets and then injected into the scalp. In one 2017 study, 11 participants saw 30% more growth in thinning areas after 4 sessions. 16th. Minoxidil. Otherwise known as Rogaine, this over-the-counter drug is known to work for around 2/3 of women who try it, according to the Mayo Clinic. Apply the liquid or foam to your scalp each day. Side effects include scalp irritation and acne at the site of application. Rarer side effects include irregular heartbeat and blurred vision. 17th. Finasteride. Otherwise known as Propecia, this prescription pill may help slow hair loss and even promote new growth. It is approved for men and works better for men under the age of 60, according to the Mayo Clinic. Women who are or who may become pregnant should avoid this medication. 18th. Phenylphryne. Topical phenylphryne may help with hair loss due to styling by stimulating the follicle muscles to contract. This makes it harder to pull out hairs during brushing, for example. Unfortunately, you will need to keep an eye out for this medical solution. Scientists have developed a specific formula called AB102, but it has not yet been released to the public. 19th. Essential oils. Essential oils may help reduce hair loss. A 1998 study divided 86 people with alopecia areata into 2 groups, one of which cedarwood oil mixed with lavender and rosemary into their scalps. After 7 months, 43% of that group showed improvement in their condition. Other essential oils to consider include lavender, lemongrass, and peppermint. Try mixing couple drops of any or all of these oils with a couple tablespoons of carrier oil, like jojoba or grapeseed, and apply to the scalp for 10 minutes before washing. 20. Onion juice. People with alopecia areata may see regrowth after applying crude onion juice to their scalps twice a day. While research on this treatment is limited, the juice did appear to promote growth in nearly 87% of participants in a small 2014 study. Scientists believe the magic lies in the onion's sulfur content. 21. Massage. We know scalp massage feels good, but can it help grow your hair too? Maybe. One small 2016 study showed participants seeing results with as little as 4 minutes of massage a day over the course of 24 weeks. 22. Yoga. Hair loss caused by stress may respond well to yoga. Try these stress-relieving yoga poses to prevent and slow hair loss. Downward facing dog, forward bend, camel pose, shoulder stand, fish pose, and kneeling pose. You can find a flow through these poses for free on YouTube. Why does hair fall out? The hair on your head goes through a life cycle that involves growth, resting, and shedding. It's common for people to lose around 100 hairs a day. If you experience more sudden loss in patches, or overall thinning, you may want to see your doctor. Some shedding is temporary and may respond well to changes in diet. certain treatments, or lifestyle changes. Other loss may be more permanent or non-stop until an underlying condition is treated. By age 40, about half of all men will experience hair loss due to hereditary conditions like androgenic alopecia, male pattern baldness. Likewise, more than half of women will experience genetic hair loss, female pattern baldness, before the age of 70. Other causes of hair loss include medical conditions like alopecia areata, scalp infections, or trichotillomania, hormonal changes from pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, or thyroid issues, medications or supplements such as those used for cancer, high blood pressure, depression, or arthritis, radiation treatment for conditions like cancer, stress, whether physical or emotional, styling practices like wearing tight ponytails or cornrows. Consider making an appointment to see your doctor if you are experiencing sudden or extreme hair loss. Some conditions like thyroid issues may not respond to home remedies and require treatment of the underlying causes. Also, keep in mind that any treatment you use may take anywhere from 6 months to a year to show improvement on areas where hair loss has already occurred. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.